Meditation, something that, especially in the spiritual community, is always described as almost the pinnacle of the process towards enlightenment, the one thing that we have to do if we wish to raise our vibration properly and to reach that pinnacle of vibrational enlightenment. But how do we meditate properly, or to allow the mind to quiet? How do we train the mind to focus on one thing, to eventually focus on nothing as we meditate? In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about meditation. My name is Aaron, and I help people to become their true and authentic selves. Today, yes, we're going to talk about meditation. It's something that takes a lot of practice, a lot of perseverance and commitment. But it's very easy when you're meditating to feel that you have to perhaps fight off thoughts that are coming in, or you have to try to push them away so that they don't interfere with your meditation. In fact, that's actually the opposite to what you need to do. If you're trying to fight thoughts away, or you're allowing thoughts to build up as you meditate, it can be very hard to focus on the meditation itself. This is where mantras come in. This sound is used across the world in all different cultures, mainly Buddhism. But the reason that we have mantras for meditation is to practice and to train the mind to focus on one consistent thought or one consistent pattern or energy. Now, when you have thoughts rolling in and you're getting distracted, you can't focus on your meditation, switch your focus to your mantra. There are many different mantras, and if you don't know what mantra to use, a quick Google search for positive or vibration raising mantras on Google will give you a varied list of different mantras that you can use. I will leave a link in this video to a website where you can find a list of various mantras to use. Now, using a mantra helps to push your focus onto one thing. See, meditation, mainly in the Eastern world, we seem to have a different approach in the Western world, but the original purpose of meditation from the Eastern world is to quiet the mind so that we're free from thought. So we allow the mind to just do nothing but exist and be in the present moment. This can have profound benefits for your day-to-day life because you can focus on one thing relentlessly without any other thoughts or intrusions coming in your mind. So switching your mind to one mantra will definitely help you with meditation. So if you are struggling, then give this a quick go. It just takes 5, 10, maybe 20 minutes a day. The more you practice, the better you will get at meditation. And eventually, you will be able to completely silence the mind through the use of mantras and regular meditation. Also, mudras are a great way to channel energy as well. If you don't know what mudras are, again, I will leave a link in the description to this video to a website where you can see what different mudras to use during your meditation. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a like, give it a share, and comment your thoughts down below. If you are struggling with a certain aspect of meditation, then let me know in the comments to this video as well. But that is it from me today, but I will see you in another video. Much love. Namaste.